Alright guys, this is a big one. My first ever snowboarding unboxing. You might be wondering, first ever? Over $3,000? Well, this has been a project a long time in the making. Growing up on the summer beaches of Portugal, I actually always wanted to be a surfer. Just being minutes away from Nazaré, seeing the surfers catch those waves. I've always loved the ocean, being Portuguese and having some of the nicest beaches in Portugal. It's always had a certain calling to me. I was fortunate enough to go surfing a couple of years back in Estoril. While it's not as big as the waves I saw in Nazaré or Iseira, I just think the feeling of surfing is unmatched, and being in the ocean, sunny days and summer. If I could have a beach house or a retirement house, I'd be catching the waves every single morning. That feeling of being on a wave is almost unmatched. So ever since then, I was thinking, how can I replicate that? I've had snowboarding in my head this whole time. And ever since that moment, I've wanted to snowboard. I'm from Toronto, Canada, so if I can't be catching that thrill on the waves, I might as well be catching that thrill on the slopes. That's what I'm excited to do. Fast forward to today. Here we have my snowboarding setup. Over $3,000. I can't wait to show you. We have everything from a board to bindings to boots. You might be wondering why I went everything Burton, why everything's Burton. Honestly, I grew up watching Mark McMorris and the Canadians in the Olympics, and seeing Burton everywhere was pretty cool. Even watching Americans when I didn't want them to medal, Shaun White, Chloe Kim, they had their skills and tricks. Even seeing the next generation of snowboarders like Zeb Powell or Hiroto, seeing those guys at the X Games and what they're potentially going to do at the Olympics is just insane. So I had to go with Burton. And I honestly think legacy is a huge thing, and I think Burton carries that legacy, so I said why not. Now I'm not expecting to create my own legacy just yet, because it's only going to be my second time ever snowboarding. I've actually been once years ago in high school. I may be from Toronto and I don't got mountains out in my backyard like people out west, but I still got the blessing to snowboard. I'm just super excited to find that magic like I did in the ocean out there on the snow. Fast forward to today, my first ever snowboarding setup. I'm so excited to show you guys. This has been something in my head that I couldn't get out of my head for years. Ever since I snowboarded for the first time, I've always wanted to go, and then just surfing that a couple of years back, it solidified that I needed to get my own snowboarding equipment. I'm gonna head to the slope soon. It's gonna be my second time ever snowboarding. It's been years, but I can't wait to show you guys everything I got. Being a first-gen Canadian, I could never afford it, but I'm fortunate to be in the position where I was able to. So we're going to start with the base layers and the mittens, you know, everything I need to keep myself warm on the mountain. We have the Burton mittens. Burton mittens. Honestly, these are the warmest mittens I've ever put on, warmest gloves I've ever put on. I am not going to get cold on that mountain. And it comes with these inner liners that you can just take out your phone and your hands won't get cold when you take off those mittens, because again, those are really warm. Imagine exposing your hand to that cold type thing. Next up, we got the merino base layers. These are super warm, 260, level 260, one of the warmest. I'm still going to be active on the mountain, so I figured not getting the warmest of the warmest, the hottest of the hottest. I got the tights and the long sleeve base layer. Next up's the Anon Logan wave cell. I need a helmet. I'm going to be falling. It's my first time in years. Yeah, I'm going to be falling. I'm super excited to have this. I don't care if it's not steezy or not. It's steezy to me. It's my first time coming out in years out on the slope. So this is perfect. As you can see, I'm ambitious. I'm ready for the slope. And I need a goddamn helmet. I need a helmet. That's facts. I need a helmet. It's a factual statement. As you can see, Anon. Here we have the Anon helmet. I think it looks pretty sleek, looks pretty cool. I love the top of it. Has everything I need for ventilation. And it has BOA technology on the back, so I'm super excited. Yeah, it looks really nice. I can't wait to use this, and it can cover me from any accidents, and it can protect my dome, which is what we want. Bang. Next up, we have the Burton Reserve bib. Gore-Tex. These are going to keep me nice and dry on the mountain. The first time I've ever snowboarded, I actually wore gray sweatpants, and I don't know if you've ever been snowboarding, but that snow can like stick to your pants. You don't want to not have snow pants when you snowboard. Lesson learned. You learned it from me. Next up, you might be seeing these StepOn boxes. We have the Photon StepOn boots. I wear a size 10. We're just going to show you. I know this is a snowboarding video, but this is a Toronto Man essential. I actually already had one of these, but I had to get another one because I need one, you know, fresh and clean for the road, and I need another one for the slopes. You know what I mean? So that's why Nike Shiesty is going to be key, keep me warm. So yeah, the Nike Hyper Warm Hood, if you're wondering. Classic, essential. Then we got the Burton Performance Socks. These are going to keep me nice and warm. Honestly, I was just wearing Nike Dry Fits, and someone said, you might as well get snowboarding socks if you're getting a whole setup. So I decided to get these. Nice blue color. Can't go wrong. One of my favorite things in the setup, my Oakley flight decks. As you can see, it comes in this Oakley case. You can just unzip this real quick. As you can see, just put this here and have this like this. And as you can see, my goggles, my Oakley flight decks in the size large. What do we rate them? How we like them? I love them. Got the classic Oakley logo there on the side, on the black band. Rocking a nice little purple. So yeah, it's a vibe. And these are a trip. Should I wear these the rest of the video? I don't know if that's a Jerry thing to do. Maybe. Or I could just put them like this for the rest of the video. But yeah, more on that. We got black band, white Oakley band on the inside, kind of like an Oreo. So I'm going to rock these for the rest of the video. Next up, we got the StepOn Boots. I went with the Burton Photons. So as you can see, comes in this box with a little bit of tissue wrapping. So these are my Burton Photon boots, step-ons, as you can see from the clips here on the side. BOA technology here on the front and the top of the boot. I'm super excited to have these. I would say I've worn straps once, and I decided if I'm here in the East Coast, I want to get as many runs as I can. So I decided to go with the step-ons. It has a clip there on the back to clip on, and it has the other clips here on the side. So I'm super excited to have these out and have these in my setup. Next Burton StepOn box, these are my bindings. So first look, has StepOn here on the side. They're size medium. I went with a size medium because my boots are also a size 10 and my board's a 156, which you'll see soon. I know you guys are excited. So yeah, just the top, it says Genesis here at the top, and it says Burton. As you can hear, just a click. As you can see the back plate here. Super excited to use these. I can't wait to go down the hill. I've seen countless reviews on all my equipment. So yeah, I'm just very excited to have these bindings on my board. This is just both of them open. As you can see, both back plates, StepOn Genesises. I don't think I could go wrong, and I'll give you a full review soon. But yeah, I'm excited to put these on my board. It says StepOn here on the inner design, which is pretty cool. And I really love this side. I know it's just a screw, but I really love how it's blue here. And everything just looks so sleek on these Genesis bindings. And I'm so excited to put them on my board and use them. And then there's this. The moment you've been waiting for, the moment I've been waiting for. My legendary Burton Snowboard. I can't wait to show you. Let's just do a spin. Boom. All right, the spin's magical because here it is, the 156 Burton Custom, a legend of the game, a name that's been heard in snowboard circles for forever, and I had to get my hands on it. I know you're not supposed to buy a board for its design. My favorite color is green, and if you guys been following the channel for a long time, my Dio Leo logo was actually blue and green, so this is kind of a no-brainer for me. I needed to have it, must cop. So it's the board, the Burton Custom. I'm so excited to have it. I love the design. I love the custom in general. This is a 156. I'm 5'7", maybe 5'8". I'm around 188 pounds. Well, stay tuned. That shit's dropping real soon. This is the Burton Custom. I'm super excited to have it. The back of it looks like this, just so nice. Love the white and the black on the other side, kind of like the goggles where I said it's an Oreo. Let me just get this out of the plastic for you. I might as well show you the flex. As you can see, the flex. Yeah, there you go. I showed you the flex real good. But yeah, just taking out of the plastic here. As you can see, there's the plastic off the board. Here's another look at the board. I love this board so much. Just looking at it, it's a glossy finish. It's nice, the green, the blue. I'm so excited to get this out on the hills. The Burton Custom, absolutely legendary. Take this paper off real quick. It's my first ever snowboard, guys. I'm so excited to use it. This is a dream come true to me. Like I said, I can't wait to catch that feeling of the mountain and to give you a little goggle shot. Me and my goggles, me and my board. It just looks so nice. I'm so excited. Can even play guitar if you want it. For a time with my love for the ocean and my love just for the hills. My tattoo kind of connects everything when it comes to the ocean. You have the ocean there and some mountains plus the city that I'm from. Just gonna see how these fit. Fits pretty good. If you know, I already love Nike, so I had to go with the Shiesty. Put that on. They ain't ready, they ain't ready. They ain't ready. We got the Nike Shiesty and the Snowpants on. Next up is the helmet. So I chose the steeziest one, you know. So I went with the Anon Logan Wave Cell. So we're gonna put that one on. There we go. We got our flight decks. There we go. There we go, looking tough. There we go, looking tough. We put our gloves on. So we got our mitts on. As you can see, it's the Burton Custom, baby. Such a beautiful board. I can't wait to snowboard on it. Can't go wrong. Be looking tough. Be looking tough. And there we go, man. I'm so excited to rock with this Burton Custom. First ever snowboarding set. I'm excited.